lonely nights. Hit a lick, then hit a bitch. Hit the switch, then hit the dip. Hit the switch, I mean only twice. Hoes be like, yo, be nice. Middle finger up to the sky, it's only right. Pull up to the drive with the black car, wearing all white. Young God, pull out the black card. All he do is swipe. Put out the notepad, all he do is write. I can't be stopped, all I do is right. Insomniac, I ain't slept for days. And by the way, I might levitate if I keep on spitting flames on God level. Might fuck around and bomb a temple. Might walk around like I'm the devil. Might sever my vessels, write lyrics in blood. Don't need a pencil. Might drop a track, I deserve a medal. Might drop an album, feel the world tremble. About the flows, I got several. I can switch it and rip it and flip it. Go house, tripping and slipping. I'll finish just listen, I'm back on my amigos. We heard the single, like fuck is this week flow. I'm back on my grind and I'm over the line like Evil Knievel. I'm murdering tracks, like how is this legal? God, no man compares to me. Jesus Christ be praying to me. Pardon the blasphemy, but fuck the heavens, I'm in the galaxy. Bombing planets like Dragon Ball Z. It's just not fair. When I drop a line, it's like a solar flare. When I'm on a track, let's have a prayer. I'm over your head, got these half-dead followers gasping for air. See, it's kinda rare to find a Blair who can baptize lost minds with dumb rhymes, whose flow is so ice-like. And let's not forget that he's white, right?